Namaste everyone, this is Manas from the hospitality desk. Today we are going to see the duties and responsibilities for a bartender. Yes, for a bartender, whenever you are going to any small bar or big bar or any five-star hotel bar, you used to see one person who used to mix all the drinks together. Sometimes we used to call mixology or bartender. What all are the job responsibilities there or they're carrying with them as a bartender, we'll see today. Let's see what is bartender. So bartender is responsible for preparing and serving alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverage, maintain the cleanness of the bar, ensuring the great guest experience. Okay, we will see what are the job responsibilities they are carrying and what all they used to do at the bar, so that we as a guest used to get good experience and good drinks we used to enjoy at the bar. So basically they used to prepare and serve the drinks to the customer. So they used to mix and serve the cocktails, okay, beer, wine and other beverages. They used to follow all the standards, all the recipes, okay. Bartenders are same like a chef, okay. They used to follow standard recipe, okay. The drinks what we used to drink in India, same drinks if you go to abroad, USA, Hong Kong, Maldives, you will get the same recipes, because that's the standard recipe bartender has to follow. What they used to do, they used to suggest and recommend drinks based on the guest preferences. The guest who is coming, they easily find out which kind of guest, and if they are looking for whiskey or they are the lover for wine, they will suggest the good wine, all right, France wine, or they want some Australian wine, they want some white wine, red wine, which the expensive wine or the good quality of wine they will suggest to the guest as per the guest preferences. And also they used to ensure, okay, drinks are prepared quickly and efficiently, and it has to be served on the table very quickly within the time. All right, customer service. Next is customer service. All right, greet the guest warmly and take the drinks order, engage with the guest, create a friendly environment with the guest and welcome to the guest in their bar. That is their responsible. Handle guest complaint, professionally, and resolve the issue promptly. If is there any issue with the drinks or services, they used to come out from the bar, they used to speak to the guest, what exactly the problem is, should I repeat your drinks, can I make any other nice bartender special drinks. They will make the guest happy like this way. Also, the bartender used to manage the bar operation very nicely, maintain the clean and organize the bar area, doing all the mise en place before your bar operation timing. Keep all the bar snacks ready before the guest coming. Area clean. They used to ensure music is on or not. All the area are clean. All right, measures are ready. Lemon juice is there or not. Sugar syrup is there or not. All the expiry has checked or not. FIFO has maintained or not. They used to check each and everything. That restock of the liquor is more important. Any liquor is getting over, they will check the FIFO and they will indent the liquor, they will bring to your bar. All right, mixer is there or not. All the bar supplies, what I told, that is your bar snacks, veg, non-veg, whatever they used to provide as a chasers, as a snacks, it is there or not, they will check and they will keep ready that. They used to keep track on their inventory or their shortage report. They used to make FL3 register, they used to track the inventory, what is going to short, if there any excess is there or not, they will do in a perfect way. Next is cash handling and billing. Yes, bartender also used to handle the billing parts. All right, process of the payment, either cash, credit, debit card, digital payment, whatever it is, they used to handle that. They used to make the bill, they used to take the they used to collect the money from the guest. All right, and the any issue is there in the bar regarding the cash register or something, they used to handle it. They used to ensure correct billing. Bill is printed correctly, money is taken correctly, what drinks they are serving, it has to be printed on the bill. It's not like, okay, you are serving Cosmopolitan, you are just putting any other cocktail name. No, it has to be there what guest has drink. Sometimes we see that this incident happened lots of time with me. I don't know it's happened with you or not. Okay, next is your complaints with safety and legal regularization. That is, you have to always verify customer age ID, ensure legal drink age complaints. That means the customer has to be above 21 years age, all right, or there should not be any kids at your bar. There is a policy, you should know all the rules and regulation for a bar. That's why customer ID verification is more important, all right. And the responsibilities of the alcohol service guidance you have to follow. Okay, refusing service intoxicated guest is necessary. If any guest is overdrunk, of course you have 100% right to refuse any more alcohol service. If someone is drunk, if you feel they not able to go home, you should not serve more alcohol just for your sale, understand. So you have to refuse. You should know that, any health safety problem is there in your bar, being as a bartender you have to address that. Okay, you have to inform to your security. Any problem is there, you have to inform to your duty manager immediately, all right. Next is creativity and innovation. That is more important. Bartender meanings creativity. They will create every month, they will do some innovation things, they will make some new drinks, they will bring up with new ideas in the market. So create a new and unique cocktail, what they will attract the guest. Okay, this month different, next month different. So what will happen when being as a guest you are going a bar frequently, maybe weekly 2 times, and you are seeing every week they are doing something different, definitely you will be the regular customer for that bar. But if you are not doing that, you are losing the customer. You must remember that. Thank you. You have to stay update with your latest mixology trend. You being as a bartender, you must know what is the latest cocktail is in the market, either it's launched in any other state or city. You should know that immediately. You have to launch it in your bar. You should not wait, you should not late for that. Okay, that's the bartender responsibility. Okay, offer drinks pairing, suggestion of the food pairing and all. If any guest is having wine and all, you must suggest to the guest nice red meat, nice steak. So that's a upselling, all right. Any guest is having beer, so you must upsell kind of snacks extra, or some sandwiches and all, burger and all. And next is teamwork and coordination. That is more important. Being as a bartender, you must coordinate with your team member, with your manager, okay, with your management. Collaborate with the waiter and the kitchen staff who is making the food for your bar. Ensure that your operation is smooth. Okay, assist with the colleagues during busy hours. During busy hours, of course, everyone is assisting each other, but being as a bartender, you must assist to your colleagues. Okay, train new bartender or bar backs if required. That means if your bar is very busy, you have to create a bar back who is to give you backup, or you have to create a new bartender who is to give a backup from the backside. I need this, I need that, this, that, so they will help you. So that's a bar back. So any other things is there you want to know from me, being as a bartender, what else things supposed to do, please do comment on our video and just let me know what all things you want to know. Thank you so much. So here we see the responsibilities and duties for a bartender at a 5-star hotel or a big bar. Thank you so much for watching this video.